Has arrived, guys. Beautiful mama. Beautiful little princess. Petunia. Daisy Hill's pet, guys. She's only eating because she loves me, but she's not hungry. She's being fed by all of you. All the grandkids, all the toddlers, you know, the people at the nursing home, Young Paul Village, you name it. She's being fed by everybody. She's not even hungry, guys. She wasn't coming down. Beautiful little princess. Little princess. Look at her little cheekies. She's the sweetest little girl, guys. She loves children, especially toddlers. Say anything to your people? The people you love? The people from Daisy Hill? Look how beautiful she is, guys. Beautiful.